Exercise 11.3, question number 1. First part. Find the slope of the line passing through the points. Find the slope of the line passing through the points. This is given P minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3, and Q is what? Minus 5 comma 9. So what will be slope of line passing through these points? So y2 minus y1. So 9 minus 3 upon x2 minus x1, so minus 5 minus 2. 9 plus 3 minus minus, so 12 by minus 7, so I can write minus 12 by 7 is the slope of the line passing through the points. Second, P 0 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 4, and Q minus 6 comma 2. So M will be what? In this case M will be 2 minus minus 4 upon minus 6 minus 0. So 2 plus 4, 6 upon minus 6 minus 1. 1 upon minus 1, so I can write minus 1 is the answer. Third part. Points are given 3 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma minus 5. So M will be what? Minus 5 minus minus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 upon minus 4 minus 3. So 0 upon minus 7, the answer is what? 0. Is it clear? Fourth part. Minus 3 comma 5. Points are minus 3 comma 5 and minus 3 comma minus 4. So M is equal to what? Minus 4 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus minus 3. So minus 3 minus minus 3. So plus 3. So minus 9 upon 0. It is what? Not. Down is what? 0. So it is not defined. First question is over. Now second question. Question number second. Find the slope of a line whose inclination is 30 degree. Whose inclination is, second question. What is the slope of a line which is parallel to x-axis? Line parallel to x-axis. Inclination is what? 10. 0 degree. M is equal to what? 10 theta. 10 0 is equal to what? 0. Is it clear? And what is the slope of a line which is parallel to y-axis? Already I told vertical line if theta is equal to 90 degree. I can't make line parallel to y-axis. Line parallel to y-axis. Inclination is what? 90 degree. M is equal to what? 10. 90 degree. Already I told we can't define because 10 90 is what? Infinite. So I can't define. So slope is 0 and second is not defined. First part is 0, second part is not defined. Now question number third. Question number third, you can see. Find the slope of a line whose inclination is first part is given what? 30 degree. 30 degree. So inclination is what? 10 30. M is equal to 1. 10 30. 10 30 is what? 1 by root 3. I know value of theta should be between what? 0 degree to 180 degree. It can be 0 but it can't be 180. 0 to 180. 0 is included but 180 is not included. Second part, 120 degree. So M is equal to what? 10 120 degree. So what will I write? 10 120. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. 10 120. I need angles less than 180 only. So 10 120. What can I write? 10 180 minus 60. Is it clear? If I can write 10 180 minus 60 because I know 10 here all are positive in this quadrant. Here sign is positive. Here tan is positive. And here only cos is positive. Got my point? All are positive. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cosec, everything. Here sine and cosec is positive. Here tan and cot is positive. Here cos and sec is positive. So tan 180 minus theta means it will be in second quadrant. Tan 180 minus theta. It is in second quadrant. Tan 180 minus theta. So it will be what? Minus 10 theta. So minus 10 60 degrees. So minus 10 60 is what? Is it clear or not? 10 120 I am writing 10 180 minus 60 because I need angles less than 180 degree. It should be between range 0 to 180 and 180 is not included. So I am writing 10 180 minus 60. So minus 10 60 is what? Minus root. Is it clear? Now angle is what? 135 degree. So m is equal to what? 10 135 degrees. So I can write what? 10 180 minus, what can you write? 45 degree I can write. 10 180 minus 45 because 180 minus 45 is what? 135. Is it clear? Okay. So 180 minus theta. 10 180 minus theta is what? In second quadrant 180 minus theta means it will be in second quadrant. So it will be what? Minus 10 theta, it is 45 degrees. So minus 10 45 is what? 1. So 10 135 it is what? Minus 1. Fourth part. 10 it is given 90 degree. So m is equal to what? 10 90. I told before itself that it is not defined. When theta is equal to 90 degree, I can't define the slope. Or slope of a vertical line is not defined, or slope of y-axis is not defined. Is it clear? Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4. What is the slope of a line which makes an angle of 60 degree? First I am making axis, x-axis, y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is y dash, this is x dash, this is y. What is the slope of a line which makes an angle of 60 degree? What is the slope of a line which makes an angle of 60 degree with the positive direction of y-axis? With the positive direction of y-axis. So let's say this is the line. Positive direction of y-axis means from here, and you have to take always anti-clockwise direction. You can't take clockwise direction. So from y-axis I will take like this, which makes an angle of 60 degree. So this is what? 60 degree. Is it clear? Is it clear? Which makes an angle of 60 degree. So with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise is like this from y-axis. But I have to take theta from what? Positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis measured in the anti-clockwise direction to the part of the line above the x-axis. So it will be what? Theta will be what? From here it is what? Theta. But this part is given 60 degrees. So I can make, this is, so line parallel to x-axis I will draw here. I will draw one parallel line here. I know this is what? 90 degree this part, and this part is what? Same angles. If these are two parallel lines, these are two parallel lines, this angle is what? Theta. This angle is also what? Theta. Is it clear? Corresponding angles, both same, theta. So this is also what? Theta. Up and up, like this. If it is like this, so this case, this angle and this angle will be what? Same. So this is 60. So this is also what? 60. So total will be what? 60 plus 90. So theta is equal to what? 60 plus 90. That is what? 150 degree. Is it clear? 150 degree. So slope of a line m is equal to what? 10 150 degree. 10 150. I can write what? 10 180 minus 30. And I know 10 180 minus theta is equal to what? Minus 10 theta. So here minus 10 30 degree. So minus 1 by root 3 is the slope of the line L, which makes an angle of 60 degree with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. Is it clear? Okay. Now question number 5. can see question number 5th. Find the inclination of a line whose slope is given. First part. M is equal to what? 1 by root 3. So I know M is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to what? 1 by root 3. And I know tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Value is what? 1 by root 3 value. Is for which 10? Tens 30 is 1 by root 3. So theta is equal to what? 30 degree. Is it clear? Second part. 1. M is equal to what? 1. So I know tan theta is equal to what? M is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So M is equal to tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to what? Tan of 45 is 1. So theta is equal to what? 45 degree. Is it clear? Now third part. M is equal to minus 1. So what will I write? M is equal to tan theta is equal to what? Minus 10 45 degree. Because I know one step more I will write. Tan theta is equal to what? Minus 1. So tan theta is equal to what? Minus 10 45 degree. Minus to this one, and 1 is what? Value of 10 45. And I know minus 10 45 degree. Minus 10 45 means when I will get tan theta. Here also I want what? 10. I don't need here minus sign. So I know tan 180 minus theta will be what? Minus tan theta. So tan 180 minus what will I do here? 45. Because I know tan 180 minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. Because I have to equate tan theta with 10. I don't need here minus. Is it clear? So tan theta is equal to minus 10 45. And I know minus tan theta. When I will get minus tan theta? When tan 180 minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. That's why I am writing tan 180 minus 45. So I will get what? Minus tan 45. Now tan theta is equal to what? 180 minus 45. So answer is what? 135 degree is the answer. Is it clear? Now part 4. M is equal to root 3. So you know M is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to root 3. So you know tan theta value is equal to what? Tan of 60 degrees. So here theta is equal to 60 degrees is the answer. Is it clear? Now part 5th you can see. Part 5th you can see minus root 3. It is given what? M. M is equal to tan theta. It is given minus root 3. You know tan theta is equal to, I need here what? Minus 10. I know value of root 3 is what? Tan 60 degree. But here tan theta and here it is minus tan 60. So I can't compare it. Because it is positive, here it is minus tan 60. So I have to make this also positive. So tan theta is equal to minus tan theta. When I will get minus tan theta? And theta should be between what? 0 to 180. So I can minus from 180. I know tan of 180 minus theta is equal to what? Minus tan theta. So minus tan 60 I can write what? Tan of 180 minus 180 degree minus 60. Tan 180 minus 60 I will get what? Minus tan 60. Now tan say theta is equal to what? 180 minus 60 degree. 180 minus 60 is what? 120 degree. Theta is what? 120 degree is the answer. Now part 6th. Part 6th you can see M is equal to 0. So M is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to 0. Tan theta is equal to 0. So tan 0 degree. So theta is equal to what? I know tan 0 is equal to what? 0. So theta is equal to 0 degree. Now question number 6th. Question number 6th. You can see question number 6th. A line passes through the points 4, minus 6. 2 points are given. 4, minus 6. And Q point is given. Minus 2, minus 5. Does it make an acute angle with the positive direction of x-axis? What do you mean by acute angle? Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Is less than 90 degree. Acute angle is what? Less than 90. We have to check. So first I will find the slope. M is equal to what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Minus 5 minus 6 upon minus 2 minus 4. So minus 5 plus 6 upon minus 6. 6 minus 5, 1 by minus 6. So I can say minus 1 by 6. So slope I am getting what? M is equal to what? Minus 1 by 6. If slope is negative, and this is what? Tan theta is equal to what? Minus 1 by 6. M is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to minus 1 by 6. Let's go to the quadrants. This is the first quadrant. In this first quadrant, if it is acute angle, then all values are what? Positive. All values are positive. A. All values are positive. But here tan theta I am getting what? Minus 1 by 6. That is M, that is slope. If tan theta value is negative, it means I know angle theta should be between 0 to 180 and 180 is not included. And if it is negative value, so pakka it is in what? Second quadrant. If it is in second quadrant, so it is what? More than 90 and less than 180. Means angle is more than 90 and less than 180. So it is what? Obtuse angle, not acute angle. That's why it is not an acute angle, it is obtuse angle. Now question number 7. Question number 7, first part. Find y if the slope of the line, determine x so that 2 is the slope is given, m is equal to 2, is the slope of the line through the points 2, 5 and x, 3. Points are 2, 5 and x, 3. So what will you write? Slope y2 minus y1, so 3 minus 5 upon x minus 2. So m is equal to what? 2 is equal to what? Minus 2 upon x minus 2. So by cross multiplication I can write what? 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. X is equal to what? 2 by 2 answer is what? X value is what? 1. Is it clear? X value is 1. Now second part. Question number 7. Second part. Find y if the slope of the line joining these points. Points are given minus 8, 11 and 2, y. And slope is given what? M is equal to minus 4 by 3. So how will you write? M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. At the place of m I am writing minus 4 by 3. y2 minus y1. So y minus 11. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 2 minus minus 8. So 2 plus 8. So minus 4 by 3 is equal to y minus 11 upon 2 plus 8 is what? 10. So by cross multiplication 3 into y minus 11 is equal to minus 10 into minus 4 minus 40. 3y minus 33 is equal to minus 40. So 3y is equal to minus 40 plus 33. So minus 7. 3y is equal to minus 7. So y is equal to minus 7 by 3. Value of y is equal to what? Minus 7 by 3. Now question number 8. Question number 8. What is the slope of the line passing through the origin? Passing through one point is what? Origin, that is 0, 0. And the midpoint of the line segment. Midpoint of the line segment. Joining these points 2, minus 5 and 3, 2. What will be the midpoints for this? 2 plus 3 by 2, minus 5 plus 2 by 2. So 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 is the other point. So other point is what? Let's say it is what? A point, it is 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2. You have to find the slope of this line joining these 2 points. So how will you do? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So slope is what? y2 minus y1, so minus 3 by 2 minus 0 upon 5 by 2 minus 0. So here minus 3 by 2 upon 5 by 2. And you know a upon b upon c upon d, you can write what? A upon b into d by c. So minus 3 by 2 into 2 by 5. 2 cancel, answer is what? Minus 3 by 5 is the answer. Thank you.